was talking to an acupuncturist who was telling me that people are being more careful with spending because of the economy and everything. And he thinks it's been affecting his practice and that it's been slower. So are you feeling that way too? So here's what I'm noticing is that in every economy, even if there may be a recession or even when people might be feeling like they are going to be more tight with money, there are always people who have money and value their health and value staying healthy, who are willing to pay for your services. In every economy, there are people who might find things a bit more tight. But also in every economy, there are people who have the money, value their health, and are willing to pay for your services. One of the most recession-proof businesses is health. One of the most recession-proof areas that people will still spend money on is health. There are other things that people might consider cutting, but if you don't have your health, you don't have anything. And when you can make it really clear to your patients and have it really land for them about how important it is for them to keep up with their health, because we will pay for what we prioritize to be important. Certainly, there might be people who might be having harder times. However, there's still people out there. For example, this acupuncturist I was talking to, I asked him, so he's seeing around 20 patients a week. He would like to see more like 30 a week. I asked him, in this town of 1 million people, is it possible that there might be 30 people out of 1 million people who might have money for your services? And the answer is yes. You just need to be able to be like a radio signal wave vibrating. If your ideal patients are vibrating at 98.9, the person with no money is vibrating at 89.5. You need to be at 98.9 for you to find each other. So how effectively are you communicating in such a way that it lands for your ideal patients who feel like, I need to come see you, because they're still there. There's still people out there, regardless of any economy, who is open, who is interested, who can really benefit and will pay you for your services. So part of it is in the radio signal waves, the frequency matching. And part of it is, are you using the right approach to attract those people so that you're not wasting your time doing things that don't result in, like, where you're putting effort and not actually seeing results for your effort, because that can get old after a while, So if you're curious about an approach that our clients have been using that's working even in this kind of an environment, then even right now, if you'd like an approach that's been working for a client, even right now, just DM me and happy to share it with you. In fact, another client of ours, an acupuncturist, just brought in 16 patients in one day. And we have other clients, naturopathic doctors who are busy with patients. We have chiropractors who have a full practice right now as well, and functional medicine practitioners too. So if they can do it, then you could do it too, because they're not any smarter than you. So just DM me, happy to help and share it with you.